Hello guys, welcome back to Neeti Tech. In today's video, we are going to talk about IAM administrative user creation and how you can control your cost, that is set up the budgets. In continuation of our previous video where we have gone through the steps to create an AWS account, in this video we'll see how to set up your account to make it more secure and set up alerts on the cost for your free tier account. As we discussed earlier, root user is not to be used for your day-to-day activities. You need to create a different user for the specific role, that is the administrative user. Firstly, we create an administrative user who has the admin access for your AWS account. Let's see how to do it. You can follow along with me and pause the video wherever you feel. So let's get started. Now you need to sign into AWS account with your root credentials. Whenever you create an AWS account, a root user is created automatically with the email ID and the password provided during the sign up. Once you log in with the root user, search for IAM service, click on it, and then as you can see, there are 0 users as of now. On the left hand side panel, click on users, create a user, provide a username like user1, and then as we are going to have a console access for most of the things, just click on it and then provide an IAM user, then provide a password, a custom password. You can also auto generate the password and click on the user must reset the password once he logs in. Click on attach policies directly as we have admin access policy already in place. So just select that and click on next. Click on create user. Now the user is created. You can view the user and you can either email the sign-in instructions to the user, or you can download the CSV and share it with them. The user needs to use the console URL to log in. So click on once the user clicks on it, the page like this will appear, and the IAM user, that is user one that we created, providing the password, the initial password that we provided. Click on sign in. And as we have checked to reset the password once the user logs in, so we need to provide the old and the new passwords. Click on proceed. Now you are signed in with the new password. So on the top left hand side corner, you can see it as user 1, and these are the recently visited services. You can go to IAM, and then now you can see that there is one user created. On the top right hand side corner as well, you can see the user 1, and here we have one user created. This way we have successfully created an admin user. Now most of the activities can be done with this particular user and no need to log in with the root credentials. So you can use this admin user to create new users, groups, and many other activities. Now let's move ahead with the next step, that is set up a cost control for your account. Sometimes it might happen that you mistakenly kept the services on, like EC2 instance running, which might incur huge cost to you. Instead of getting a huge bill amount at the bill cycle, you can set up alerts so that you get notified in case your bill has reached the threshold. Let's see how we can set up a cost budget in AWS Billing Console using AWS budgets. You need to log in as a root here because we are not yet granted permissions to access Billing Console to the admin user that we have created. Once you log in as root, you just search for billing and cost reports. It will come to billing and cost management homepage. On the left hand side panel, and go to budgets, create a budget, and we'll use a template as of now. For this free tier account, we'll go for 0 spend budget. Okay, it will notify once the spending exceeds $0.01. Okay, you need to provide email recipients, so the email notification will be sent out to those members. Okay, you need to enter a valid email address. As of now, I am giving a dummy email address, but make sure you provide a correct email address to receive the notifications. Click on create budget. A report will be created, and it may take up 24 hours to populate all the spent data. Okay, so in this way, you can create a budget report. And in case your budget is increasing, I mean, the threshold is getting increased, you will receive an email notification. With this, we are at the end of this video, and you have successfully created admin account and set up the cost control for your AWS account. If in case you have not created your AWS account yet, please go through the previous video where we have detailed steps on how to create your AWS account. You will find the link in the description box. If you have any doubts regarding the steps mentioned in this video, please post your query in the comment section. We will guide you on it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel if you have not already done so. Stay tuned for more such videos, and thank you for watching.